everybody. Welcome back to Reviews by Lucas. I'm Lucas for those of you who don't know. Today with part 4 of this DIY desk build, I'm going to be trimming up my undermount wire management system, sanding it down and staining it for everybody. As well in this video, my desk legs have finally arrived, so I'm going to assemble it all for everyone. Let's get going. So I just finished staining the second coat of my undermount cable management system for underneath my desk, as you see here. I'm going to let that dry overnight. The next up, I'm going to be installing that to my desktop as well as with the legs, and I'm going to show you all the finished product. Before we get installing, I want to show you guys the legs I'm going to be using. As you see here, I got simple A-frame style legs that I got off Amazon. Those ran me about $159. I'm going to post the link down below to make things easier if you guys are interested in these legs. To install the cable management box underneath the desk, I'm going to use simple corner brackets just to make things easier if I need to take the box off, as well as the legs to get my desk through a door frame to move it around my house or out of the house in general. But let's get installing. Alright, so as you see here, my desk is finally fully assembled. I'm very excited to be getting to use this desk. I've been needing one for a while, but this does end my 4-part series on my DIY desk build. I will be putting out future videos as I start to assemble more things in my office and get it to where I need it to be. But for now, hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notifications box, that way you don't miss out on any of my future content.